let's work on interesting calculus, AP calculus question. Right, this question says that the tangent line to the curve y equals x to the third power minus 4x plus 8 at point 2, the point 2 and 8 has an intercept at what point? So has an x-intercept at what point? So you want to find first of all, you want to find the equation to the tangent line. After you find the equation of the tangent line, then you can use the equation to figure out the x-intercept. So the strategy two-step. The first step is find the equation to the tangent line. The second step is using that equation to find the x-intercept. All right. So how do we find the equation to the tangent line? The first thing that we need to do is we need to find the slope of the tangent line. The slope of the tangent line is the first derivative of y evaluated at x equals 2, right? So that's so we want to calculate the first derivative of how come it doesn't? All right, so we want to calculate the first derivative of this function. So the y prime, right, first derivative. So we apply the power rule. The derivative of x to the third is 3x squared. The derivative of minus 4x is just minus 4. The derivative of a constant is a 0. So this is y prime, the first derivative. All right, and m is a symbol for slope. And as I said, the slope is the first derivative evaluated at this point. So the first derivative evaluated at x equals 2. So we're going to do a substitution. We're going to put this substitute in this for x, substitute 2 in for x. So this becomes 3 times 2 squared minus 4. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 minus 4 give you 8. So this is the slope of the tangent line. So the slope of the tangent line is 8. Now then we are ready to calculate the equation of the tangent line. So for those of you who still remember, we can use the point slope form, right? This is how it looks like, the point slope form of the equation. So we're ready to do the substitution. The point is 2 and 8. So y minus 8. So y1, this is where it comes from. Right? This is this 8 right here. All right. And then this 8 is the slope, is the m, where we calculated from this previous step. All right. So this is the slope we calculated on the previous slide. And x minus x1. x1 is the point, the x coordinate of the point that we're dealing with. So it's this point right here. So this is the equation of a line after we're done with the substitution. Y minus 8 equals 8 times x minus 2. All right. So and so we know that x-intercept. What does it mean by x-intercept? They are looking for the point at which the curve intersects the horizontal axis, right? This is where the curve intersects the horizontal axis, the x-axis, and that happens when the y-coordinate equals 0. This is what happens. So you use the equation of the line. This is a point slope form, and you're going to substitute y equals 0 in here, right? So this becomes 0 minus 8 equals 8 times x minus 12. minus 16, minus 16. So you are giving this, you have this one equation and one unknown. You're going to solve for x. So we're going to add 16 to both sides. Um, adding 16 plus this 0 minus 8. And then on the right hand side, you're also adding 16. So this equality still holds. And what happens here is, so this 0 is redundant. It will disappear. You have a minus 16, you have plus 16. These two cancel out. So you're left with 16 minus 8, which is 8. And on the right hand side, you have 8x. Right? So 8 equals 8x. So it's obvious that x equals 1. Well, right? X equals 1. So this is the x coordinate of the x-intercept. So this is where this one is. And the y coordinate is what we just said previously. X-intercept is at where y equals 0. So the y coordinate of this point is 0. So 1, 0 is the coordinate of x-intercept. And which choice is that? So this choice here. So this is the answer is B. Right, so the answer is B. Alrighty. So if you find this helpful, please share this with your friends who are studying AP Calculus. Subscribe my page. I'll continue to upload solution to these math problems. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.